In the dead of winter, a chilling disappearance rocked Istanbul's outskirts when construction worker Mehmet vanished from a remote cabin site during a brutal snowstorm. But this was no accident. Police discovered his charred remains inside the cabin, leading them to uncover a disturbing truth. Security footage revealed a dark secret. A recently fired coworker had been stalking Mehmet for weeks, methodically tracking his every move. The killer had crafted an elaborate scheme, using the snowstorm as cover while meticulously planning his revenge. After setting the deadly fire, Ali executed his escape plan perfectly, fleeing to Northern Cyprus where international laws couldn't touch him. Despite multiple warrants and a global manhunt, the murderer remains free today, protected by diplomatic complexities. The burned cabin still stands as a grim reminder of that fatal night. Could someone you know be watching you right now? Drop a if this story gave you chills.